guys, many of you may or may not know, I have not had a diffuser for my curly hair for like weeks because it kept breaking and I just didn't buy a new one yet. So I've been diffusing my hair with a hair dryer without any attachment. I'm basically just blow drying my hair dry even though it's curly. And so this is the result of that lately, but today we are going to try a brand new diffuser. So I was interested in getting the Orchard diffuser and like some of those other really well-known curly hair diffusers, but then I realized they have such deep like bowls because curly hair is usually so thick. And I do most of my diffusing hover diffusing. So I got this guy because it's a pretty shallow like bowl, I guess, on top. And so we're gonna test it out. It has really great reviews, but not that many curly hair reviews. So we'll see how it does with hover diffusing. First, we're just gonna open up this box. I used to use the Bedhead brand a lot before I started taking care of my curly hair. Most of their products have like silicones and stuff in them, so I don't use them anymore. But I used to really love like their hair oils and stuff like that when I was styling my hair straight. Alright, so I see a little attachment thing, and I see the hair dryer. So I think aha! So as you can see, it definitely does still have like a little basin for hair to sit in if I do want to actually like scrunch up my hair a little bit. But mostly I'm going to use it for hover diffusing. Let's go! Alright, so I just showered and washed. I used the same wash routine and products as I did in the wash that you guys just previously saw my hair from. So I'm all washed and styled and ready to diffuse. The first thing I tried was the low and warm setting on the diffuser, and then I quickly realized that the warm setting was pretty cool, honestly. And then I tried the hot setting and it was about the same as what I would compare the low setting on most hair dryers to. So that was the first thing I noticed, which is really cool. I don't know if maybe the company just wants us to stop scorching our hair, but I really appreciated that because it felt hot enough to still dry my hair, but not so hot that my head was getting hot. The low setting was perfect speed. The high setting was like way too much power, so I kept it on the low setting and ended up diffusing most of my hair on the high heat setting. And then this is me hover diffusing. If you don't know what hover diffusing is, pretty self-explanatory. You just hover the diffuser or hair dryer over your hair, but you don't actually touch your hair. It's mostly just using that dispersion of air to help increase drying time without causing more frizz. This is the product of my hover diffusing. Both of these segments of videos were shot the day after I washed my hair, so I've been washing at night lately, and then I recorded my video in the morning. So my intro was the next morning after just using my hair dryer to dry my hair, and today is the next morning after using my diffuser to dry my hair. And I really feel like, especially for sleeping on it already for a night, this is a really good definition and not that much frizz. But tell me what you guys think. I really love hover diffusing, especially since in this new house, since I have moved here, for some reason, I don't know if it's the water quality is different or the air quality, but I just cannot air dry my hair in any reasonable amount of time here. It takes me like 8 hours, no joke. So I love diffusing, and hover diffusing makes me have less frizz, but also still not so long of a drying time. So I did this for about 20 minutes, which is actually about probably 10 minutes less than what it usually takes me to dry my hair with my previous diffuser and just my hair dryer that I've been using recently. So overall, yeah, I really like this diffuser for hover diffusing. A+ review from me. It was only about $15–20. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. It was lightweight, didn't scorch my head, but still was hot enough to dry the hair and cut my drying time down. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and because I want to help you guys choose the best diffuser and the best diffusing method for you, if you have other diffusers that you would like me to try, leave it in the comments down below. Alright, until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios!